Campbell, you still here? Right. Which window then?
See the last two
Yeah.
windows?
Do you know, is this building safe?
Watch yourself.
Far end, yeah. Guys, you need to split into two teams and stop them from flanking us, because they're just following us round.
If you can come to here, get someone into guys, covering fire. Guys!
Hold on.
Covering fire.
Which windows?
Up the outside,
No shot. Right guys, I'm on the middle. I'm on the, what is it, fourth from the left, fourth from the right, I'm on that.
That little archway just on the left of it. Top floor.
The archway to the left, I'm on the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm four from left. Got him! Got him! Did he shout? Two in a row! Come on, baby!
Deadly assassin.
Pity this isn't amusements, eh? Right, come on guys, we need to make some movements here. Snipers covering that window, let's see some assault. Two do fire team, two do assault. Let's go! Who's on fire team? Fire team, lay it down! Assault, let's go! Come on! Hold the fire! Oh, nobody's assaulting.
Loading. I'll be able to stand down there about 3 feet floor.
Come on guys, we're all stacked up, let's go.
As soon as we get in, come round. Okay. Give us a shout when you're in.
Come on, the guys needing support round there. Come on guys, let's move. There's no cover there.
I'll cover you. Go. Move quickly. Quicker. Go. That one. That one. Let's go quick. Hold it. You can get attacked. It's quick, mate.
Ooh! Attack! Sorry, I was aiming a wee bit high.
shut up.